Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the test mode. Open LED setting, click on test tool, and make sure your computer is in extend mode. In position X, Y, enter the starting position of your extended screen. Then, in width and height, enter the resolution of your extended screen. Alternatively, click extended screen, then click full screen. In the gray section, you can choose the output color of the test image or input the gray level you want to test. You can also click calibration setting to enable or disable calibration mode, or to select a calibration source. In the grid section, there are various test methods you can choose from. The band, dot grid, and so on. Thanks for watching.